The hamburger is one of the most iconic food in the world, and it's hard to imagine a small barbecue, fast food point, or even a fun dining without it. But have you ever stopped to wonder where it's really come from?
While many people believe that hamburger is purely American invention, it's a story of far more complex. It's a tale of culture exchange, immigration influence, and a street food innovation. Join us for the explore the untold story of how hamburger evolves from German tradition to the global phenomena we know and love today. Our story begins in the port city of Hamburg, Germany in 1980s. Here a dish known as Hamburg Steak was born, tender minced beef, often too served as a patty and sometimes seasoned with onions and spices. But this is not yet a hamburger as we know it today. It was simply grounded beef served as a dish for sailors and Americans. The Hamburg Steak was named after a city and it became popular among a German immigrants who traveled across the Antarctic to the United States in late 90s. And these immigrants settled in the city like New York and Chicago. They brought with them their culinary traditions, including these early versions of beef patty. As German immigrants began to settle in the US, their Hamburg steak starting to catch the attention of the street vendor. But it was not until early 90s that the hamburger truly began to evolve. Enter the food cart vendors in cities like New York, Chicago, and St. Louis. These street vendors starting serving in the Hamburg steak as a quick and affordable meal. The only problem, the Hamburg steak was often a bit too touch to eat on the go. It needed an upgraded, something that could be eaten without a knife and a fork, something more portable. Enter the bun, and the hamburger was born. While we can't pinpoint the exact moment or an individual who added a bun to the patty, many historians credit vendors in the early 90s, including those at the St. Louis World's Fair in 1904, for making the hamburger into a sandwich that could be easily eaten with a single hand. But the hamburger's evolution does not stop there. The true transformation of the hamburger was shaped by many American groups who introduced to the development in the US. The Italian immigrants introduced tomato, while Jewish popularized the idea of pairing it with pickles. And let's not to forget the influence of a black street food vendors in the South, who popularized the use of ketchup and the mustard. to the mid 20th century, and the hamburger had transformed from a humble street food into a fast food icon. The first international chain to truly popularize the hamburger was White Castle, found in 1921. Their small, square-shaped sliders were affordable, quick, and consistent, a perfect recipe for success. But it was McDonald's found in 1940 by the McDonald brothers and later expanded by Ray Kroc that truly captured the hamburger to a global fame. The McDonald's hamburger was simple: two all beef patties, special sauces, cheese, pickle, and the onions on the sesame seed bun. As McDonald's and the other fast food chain spread across the global, the hamburger began to take a different form in the different culture. In Japan, teriyaki hamburger became a sensation. In India, vegetarians burgers become a popular alternative, while in the Middle East, you will find a burger paired with a unique spices and seasonings. Today, the hamburger is no longer just an American food. It has evolved into a global culinary symbol impressed by a virtual every culture around the world. From a gourmet burger joints in Paris to a street vendor in Thailand, the hamburger has taken a countless forms while keeping its core identity intact, a simple, satisfying meal that delicious, versatile, and always evolving. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into a history of hamburger, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments what's your favorite hamburger topping. Okay, bye bye.